What I'm looking for is how the bumper is attached. It looks like there's a metal clip that's holding the front bumper on. What I'm trying to do is see if I can get this loose and get it pulled back. Okay, so one bolt is broken on the headlight already. It's the one that goes right here. So there's going to be one bolt here and one here that hold this headlight into place. There's going to be one that we have to access by going through here, and then there's this one underneath. Allow me to get the headlight and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, here is our headlight. What we can do is look at where the mounting points are on this headlight. When we come from the top, we can see where bolts would go here and here. There's another one underneath right here, and there's a spot right back here where there would be another bolt. Now this one would be a bolt that would go through. It would get held in on the bottom side of the bumper, close to where the bottom of the fender is on this front corner right here. So it's going to be down here. We also have a spot where there's a slide, where there's somewhere where it could clip in right here. But because we're missing a bolt over on the other side right here, we're going to have to figure out what bolt we're going to need so that we can put a bolt in it when we're done on the passenger side. This one's for the driver, and I will cover what lights we're going to put in this when we get to that point. Right now I'm just removing these. These are just plastic covers that they put on it to keep dust out of it in case it sits on a shelf for a while. So this way the inside of the light stays nice and clean. But those are our 4 mounting points. Now sometimes you will have a mounting point up here on the top corner. This one does not have one there. It has it down here and here. These are the 2 main mounting points by my fingers. These 2 on the corner just hold this light and the bumper together. So it's kind of a holding point.